Hello, everyone. It's been a while since I have posted a video due to the busy tax season. I'm extremely happy for the successful 2024 tax season, thanks to all of my returning clients and the many new clients that have become part of the Galacey Tax and Financial Services family. Well, let's jump right into today's topic. Mark your calendars. Important tax deadlines in May of 2024. May 15th. Attention Texas business owners. If you have a business registered with the Texas Secretary of State, remember that the state franchise tax annual report is due on May 15th. The Texas franchise tax is referred to as a privilege tax. It's imposed on each taxable entity formed or organized in Texas or doing business in the state. The annual report provides information about the entity's activities and is used to calculate the franchise tax liability. All entities subject to the Texas franchise tax, including corporations, limited liability companies, LLCs, partnerships, and other business entities, must file an annual report. No tax due threshold increased to 2.47 million. What this means is that if your business annualized total revenue is less than or equal to 2.47 million, you are no longer required to file the no tax due report. However, your entity is still required to file the public information report or ownership information report. Note, a new veteran-owned business is not required to file a no tax due report and is not required to file a public information report or ownership information report for their initial 5-year period that they started their business. Attention, nonprofit organizations recognized as a tax exempt under Section 501C of the Internal Revenue Code. There are few important points to note regarding annual information return. The Form 990 filing deadline is May 15th for organizations with a fiscal year ending on December 31st. Most tax exempt organizations, including those with 501c3 status, are required to file an annual information return form 990, 990EZ, or 990-9 with the IRS. The deadline for nonprofit organizations with fiscal years ending on a date other than December 31st, the annual information return is due 7 months after the end of their fiscal year. Here's an example. If the fiscal year ends on September 30th, the return is due on April 30th of the following year. Example number 2. If the fiscal year ends on June 30th, the return is due on January 31st of the following year. Extensions of time to file Form 990 can be requested by nonprofit organizations by submitting Form 8868 to the IRS on or before the organization's deadline. This extension grants an additional 6 months to file. So an organization with a December 31st fiscal year end will have until November 15th of the following year to file instead of the original due date of May 15th. May 31st, 2024. For those employers, please mark this date. If you're required to deposit payroll taxes, make sure to do so by May 31st for taxes accumulated in April if the monthly deposit rule applies. Stay informed. Remember to check with your state's Department of Revenue for any additional state tax filing and payment deadlines in May. Need help or have any questions? We are here to assist you. Reach out to us for expert tax guidance and support.